Hey, I'm Shaw. I'm going to teach you how to play the intro to Raining Blood. First, you're going to pluck the low E string 3 times. Then you're going to go down to your A string, and you're going to go to your 7th fret, and you're going to pluck that once. Then you're going to go down to your A string, and you're going to go 8, 9, 8. Then you're going to go up to your A string, 9th fret, back down to your A string, and you're going to go 8, 7, back up to your A string, 8, 7, 6. And put that together. And then the next part, you're going to pluck your low E string 3 times. Again. But instead of going to your D string, you're going to go to your A string, and you're going to go 8, 9, 8, 9, 8, 7, 8, 7, 6. And I'll put that all together and you get this.